Welcome to this instructional video on identifying, numbering, and renumbering objects in Centix. To manage tools, equipment, installations, and machinery effectively, every asset must be uniquely identifiable. This ensures you always know which asset has been inspected, where it is located, and which maintenance and inspection history belongs to it. As part of Centix best practice, each asset is assigned a unique object number and labeled with a QR code sticker. This allows every asset to be identified quickly and accurately. When a QR code is scanned using the Centix app, the corresponding object opens immediately. With a single scan, users have instant access to all relevant object information, documentation, and inspection data, and can start an inspection straight away. When the same QR code is scanned using a smartphone camera, the object's details open in the browser. Depending on the configured QR code settings, users may need to log in before the information is displayed. To get the most out of QR codes, we recommend using unique object numbers. Many organizations use their own numbering system. Object numbers may include information about the equipment category, location, or department. We also often see assets numbered per customer, meaning that the same object number may be used for different customers. Although these approaches may seem logical, we do not recommend them. An object number should be used solely to identify the object. All other information is already stored separately within Centix. Instead, we recommend using unique, sequential object numbers without any embedded logic or additional meaning. One of the main reasons for this is the use of QR codes. When a QR code is scanned, Centix should immediately open the correct object. With unique object numbers, there is never any doubt about which object the code refers to. Sequential numbering also makes it possible to print QR code labels in advance and distribute them as roles to employees who register objects. Employees simply use the next available number in the sequence. This allows new objects to be registered on site, even when working offline, and to be immediately labeled with a QR code. This creates a simple, consistent, and easy-to-manage numbering system. In practice, we typically recommend a continuous sequence such as 125,001, 125,002, 125,003, and so on. Using a sufficiently long numbering sequence also improves the clarity of search results and makes it easier to find the correct object. A 6-digit sequence provides up to 1 million unique numbers, which is more than sufficient for most organizations. Short object numbers may appear simpler, but they often cause problems in practice. For example, searching for object number 12 may also return objects 112, 212, and 124. The starting point of the numbering sequence is also important. We recommend avoiding numbers with leading zeros. When exporting data to, for example, Excel, leading zeros are often removed automatically. In addition, numbers containing many repeated digits can be more difficult to read. Starting the sequence at a number such as 125,000 is therefore usually a better choice. Finally, we recommend avoiding special characters such as hyphens, full stops, or brackets in object numbers. These can cause problems with QR codes or links to object records. Many organizations have been using the same object numbering system for years. These numbers may be engraved on the object or attached in another way. Employees recognize their tools and equipment by these numbers. For this reason, replacing the existing numbering system overnight is often not practical. Centix therefore supports an approach in which objects are assigned a new, unique object number, while the original number is retained. During the initial implementation, the existing object number is stored in both the object ID and the barcode field. This ensures that the original number remains available for searches. When an object is renumbered, it is assigned a new, unique object ID linked to a QR code. The barcode field remains unchanged, allowing the object to be found using either the new object number or the original number. Here's how to renumber your objects. First, search for the object using its current number. Then, edit the object details. Check that the current number is also stored in the barcode field. If it isn't, first copy the current number to the barcode field. Next, apply a QR code label to the object and scan it into the Object ID field. The QR code number is automatically assigned as the new object ID. Save the object. The new object ID is now linked to the QR code, while the original number remains stored in the barcode field. Repeat this process for the remaining objects until they have all been renumbered and labeled with a QR code. From that point onwards, scanning the QR code will open the correct object directly in Centix. At the same time, users can continue searching using the original number for as long as it remains in use within the organization. This creates a consistent and reliable object registration system, allowing existing objects to remain recognizable while taking full advantage of the benefits of QR codes.